This is Njambiz and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to create an Instagram ad from the Instagram app itself. You can create a Facebook ad and have it run on Instagram through Facebook, and you can also create an Instagram ad directly from the Instagram app itself, and that's what I want to show you today. So to begin with, and this is why we are on the Facebook page, to begin with you need to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account, the business account you're promoting with, or the account you're promoting with, because it will be built through the Facebook ads account. So the first thing is to connect your Instagram and your Facebook page. You just go to your page, the one you want to connect it with, then go to settings. Then on the right side you can see Instagram right here. Click on that. Then this is what you'll get. I've used a page that doesn't have any Instagram linked to it just to show you the process, but this is not the page I'll be doing the ad from, because this is Njambiz tutorials. It is just for learning purposes, and the one I want to use is already set up, so I wanted to show you how to set it up. So go to Instagram. This is what you'll get. So you can add your Instagram to get started, log in, and this is what it will allow you to do. You can edit your Instagram profile from Facebook if you're an admin of the page, that is, or an editor. You can manage Instagram comments in your inbox. I'll show you what that looks like later. Then you can create Instagram ads from Facebook. I'll do a video specifically for this in a separate video. So today we want to do from the app directly. So I'll go ahead and say login so that it can connect my Instagram account to the Facebook page. So it will give you this login, and all you'll need to do, there's no Instagram I'm connecting to this, but it was just to show you. All you'll need to do is log into your Instagram and just follow the steps thereafter, which is basically it will just connect. So after it has connected, this is what you get now. See this? It's connected to the page. This is not my travels page, which is what I'll be using to show you how to create an ad. So it's already connected. This is what it's giving me. It has the option to edit. It has all my information from Instagram here. So I can edit all that info from here, the Instagram account information. So I'll go ahead now and take you to the Instagram app itself. I'll be recording that from my phone, so if the screen is a bit small, forgive me. But let's go now to the Instagram app. So once you log into your Instagram account, this is what you get. So this is the Instagram homepage. And at the very top here, you can see promotions. If you want to check out what you've promoted so far or create a new promotion, you can do that here. So you can go to create new promotion, or you can go to a specific post and promote. So let's try and promote this. So Instagram would like to access your Facebook account. Like I mentioned, all ads go through Facebook, and the billing will be done through Facebook, much as you're doing it inside the Instagram app. So I'll say grant access. So select where to send people. You can send them to your profile. That's your Instagram profile. You can send them to your website or to your direct messages, again on Instagram. So I'll select profile. Send them to my profile, Njambiz Travels, and continue. Then set your target audience. So you can either say automatic, you can have a saved audience, or you can create an audience. I'll give it a name, say call it Njambiz Travels. Then I want to target people in which location in Kenya. So I'll select that. Obviously you can add a lot more than Kenya, and you can even specify in Kenya if you want specifically Nairobi or Nakuru, specific city. You can narrow down that much. So I'll just select Kenya and continue. Then interests, I can say people who are interested in travel. Select that. Then I can also add vacations. It's suggesting down here, so I can add vacation. I can add travel and leisure, adventure travel. It's suggesting based on what I've already entered in the business, travel adventures. So that's enough. Then I'll say next. Then age and gender, if I want to specify further. So it's ticked for both male and female. I can untick that if I want specifically male or specifically female. Then age, say I want from 25 and above. And then select and finish. So my target audience is set. I'll go ahead and say next. Then I need to set my budget. I'll set it to $1 per day. And then I can say run it for 2 days. So it's giving me the estimated reach up here, 480 to 1300. Then I'll click next and I'm all set. So all I need to do is review my ad details, make sure everything is good to go, and it is. And then I'll click create promotion. And there we go. Thanks, your promotion has been sent for review. So once it's been approved, you can see right here it's saying pending approval. Once it's been approved, it will start running and I'll start getting my notifications. And that's pretty much it. Not much to it. So now we'll go back to Facebook to see on the ads account the ad itself running on Facebook. So now we are back on my Facebook Ads Manager. Right here, I showed you how to get here in my Facebook ads videos. You know how to do this. If you don't, check out my videos on how to create Facebook ads to see how to navigate to this. So I've gone to my Facebook Ads Manager, and as you can see, the ad is right here. It's active and it's already running. See, right there. So now you can still manage the ad from the Facebook side as well, which is amazing. So you can set up the ad from the Instagram page and manage it from the Facebook page. Now the beauty of setting it up from the Instagram side is that you're able to direct people to your Instagram page, as opposed to setting it up on the Facebook side, in which case you'd be redirecting them either to your website or to Facebook. So I think I would prefer, if you want to get your results within Instagram, it's better to run the ad from the Instagram app itself. And that's it, guys. That easy peasy. So that's how you run an Instagram ad from the Instagram app itself. If you have any questions about that, comment below. Let me know. Let me know if you have any questions. If this video was informative, let me know. If you learned something, let me know. If you're into digital marketing, let me know. Just let me know about anything digital marketing, even about my older digital marketing videos, in the comment section below, and I'll address all your questions and comments as and when they come in. And if I need to do a video to answer your question, I'll do that. So thank you so much for watching, you amazing people. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, as always, give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend. Don't be shy. You can share it better. You can share this video to your Facebook page. You can share it to your Instagram, sorry, not Instagram, LinkedIn. You can share it to your LinkedIn, to your Twitter, and so on. And you can also share it to someone on WhatsApp if you want someone else to learn something. So share it widely. Like the video, comment, and if you haven't, subscribe. I do digital marketing every single Tuesday, and in case they are late, every single Wednesday, because circumstances sometimes don't allow to do Tuesday. So I do digital marketing, branding, and business every single Tuesday or Wednesday, and I do travel, motherhood, life in general vlogs on Friday. So if they are late Saturday, at the latest Sunday. Things happen, people. Things happen. So I'll see you next time.